In the fifth tutorial of AutoCAD, we will learn about the commands or editing commands in AutoCAD. So, at first, we'll see the fillet command, what is the use of fillet command, and the trim command for our first video of editing in AutoCAD. For that, I will select a special figure, this figure for my reference figure to operate this two operation of trimming and fillet. Now for that you will see that this is the zero center of this drawing or figure, and this is a mechanical figure which we have to make in AutoCAD using the given datas. For that you will see that minus 35 comma minus 35 is the point in lower side, and beyond that 17.5 places should be needed. So we have to give more than 35 plus 17.5 as the lower limit and also for the upper limit. So at first I will create the limits using limits command and a zoom out command. For the lower limit or lower left corner, I will specify minus 60 comma minus 60. And for the upper right, I will select 60 comma 60. Enter, give a zoom all. Now I will start with the center circle of diameter 35. For that, go to circle option, center diameter, specify the center point as 0 tab 0 tab 0, enter, and diameter of 32, enter. Sorry, it is of 35. Undo this, center diameter 0 0 as the center and 35 as the diameter. Now our next is to create the other circles. Now go to enter to give a circle command, as AutoCAD remembered the last given command. Now 35 tab 35 as the center and radius 17.5. Now I will introduce a new features of AutoCAD. It is called the mirror. Now select object. I will select this and this as object. Give an enter. Specify the first point of mirror is 0, 0. Turn the ortho mode on and make a point. It is asking for erase source object. I will select no. Okay. Now I am selecting again mirror, this, and this object. Now select the point in this way. I will select no. Now using fillet command we can create this type of line, this curve type of line with high perfection, which we cannot perform using arc option. Radius of this is 22, so we have to give fillet radius, and at first go to fillet command from this tab. Here you can fillet, select object, go to fillet command and first select object, or you can give the radius of 22, enter, select object, this, enter, 22, radius of 22, enter, select first object and second object, enter, radius 22, enter, first object and second object, enter to repeat, radius 22, enter, first object, second object. Now we have to trim off this unwanted portion. For that, go to trim command here, or also you can write trim. Now select the trimming edges, enter, now after giving an enter, select the object you want to remove. Now click, and click. Now enter to exit. Now you click on the WCS icon and move it in some other direction, turn the grid line off, and you can see the figure as per our drawing. Okay, it is actually this figure drawn in AutoCAD. So in this way you can operate the trim command, fillet command and mirror command in AutoCAD using the home tab or by typing the comments in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and also don't forget to like the video. Thank you.